Hi everyone, I'm so excited because my holiday catalog pre-order has arrived. I just kind of dumped it out onto my desk and I'm going to go through it, and I thought I would share it with you, the things that I chose and what's coming. And I love so much in here, but I had to break it down into a couple orders, so this is my first order and there's just so much here. I'm just going to go through the stamps first so I can get those out of the way. This one is called Still Night. There are dies. I want to show you the dies because I really feel like Stampin' Up! Has really outdone themselves with dies lately. Alright, so you've got a die that cuts out that beautiful owl right there, but you've got this owl detail die and this branch. There's two frames that cut out the words. One will fit this one will fit the other, and they give you 3 little pine branches. So if you decided you want, or actually 4, and some little snowflakes. So if you wanted to make the owl sitting in a tree with some little pine branches, little pine needles and things around, you can use those. And I like that they gave you 4, because you know you're never going to want just one, you're going to want multiples, and that way you don't have to less cranks through the big shot, right? So that's the Still Night bundle. Okay, oh, these guys are adorable. Signs of Santa. I know I bought the This is a whole collection, so this one you're going to want to see. Super cute. You've got dies to cut out the little Santas. You've got 3 snowflake dies and some tags, and then these other ones cut out like the wagon and the signpost and things like that. But I wanted to see when it got here if the framelets also cut out. Look at this beautiful, isn't that paper the funnest? And the paper has flocking on it, so there's white flocking on the paper. I wanted to see if maybe some of these little guys could be cut out with the dies. Sometimes they do that, and it didn't mention it in the catalog. But look, yep, she can be cut out. Look how cute. And let's see if he can be cut out. Yes, he can be cut out. How adorable. So then we've got the signpost, so I bet that can get cut out as well. Yes. Okay, so you can cut out some of these cute little guys with the framelets as well. I'll fix those later. Okay, so this paper is adorable. So you've got this cute little Santa on the back, holly leaves. That's beautiful. This cute snowman. I love the snowman. And there's flocking, like I said, so these snowflakes are actually soft. On the back, some trees. Cute little lineup of elves. On the back, polka dots. That's cute. Look at those little elves getting their tree all ready. And some more patterns, and then candy cane stripe. You never can get too much candy cane stripe. Oh, and candy canes on the back. Oh, there's one more. Santa and his elves. Candy canes on the back. So that is adorable. I don't know that I'll go through every paper like that, but right, let's put these aside. I'm going to show you some quicker ones. Let's no snowman. There's no other punches that go with this one. This one's just the snowman, but he's going to be really adorable. Spooky Sweets has a bat punch. I love bat punches. Look at that. I love anything with punches. Hopefully you can see that in the shine there. Buffalo check background stamp. Had to get that. Feathers and Frost. I love birds, and this is a really pretty. I think I can do some pretty things with that. Country Home is a beautiful stamp for fall, and look, there's a tin tile texture embossing folder that's the dynamic, the real deep ones, and there's galvanized paper somewhere in my pile, so you can get like a tin tile, like a tin ceiling. I have that in my kitchen. So I love that. Here's another embossing folder. Swirls and Curls. corrugated like paper. That's fun. Let's get rid of all that. Okay. Ooh, here's another punch. It's the light bulb, and there's a stamp somewhere in here. Here it is. Making Christmas Bright. This is available as a bundle, so you've got all the little things you can do here for the punch, and then also some accented things as well. Really fun. And there's another stamp set in the catalog that goes with this too. So there's two where there's like a little penguin and a bunny, and you can use the punch to punch it out, and it's really cute, but I didn't get that one yet. That one will have to go on a future order. Okay. Falling for Leaves. I love leaves, and there's a die set that goes with that that cuts out the various shapes of leaves. I love leaves. Okay, this one is cool. Beautiful Blizzard. You can tell how it's beautiful. I love the watercolor splatter background, little spots, swirls, nice greetings for inside and out, and also look at this die. All in one. So you don't have to separately cut out all these little snowflakes. You can run it through the Big Shot one time and you will have all of these snowflakes, or use the negative part of the die and you'll have something to peek through. Maybe put some glimmer paper behind a navy cardstock. But think of the different things you can do with that, how they're all in the same. And you know, even if you only want this one, you can cut out a little, just that snowflake, but you know, you're going to want to cut out a whole sheet and have snowflakes to use on all your projects. This is fun. Love that. Dashing Deer. This one might be the prettiest one. Look at these deer. So you've got 3 different deer to cut out, like that. Really pretty stamp set. Some stamps for the inside and outside. And look at all of the flowers, so you don't have to run it through again. See, they keep doing that. They keep putting multiples of dies in the collection so that there's less cranking through the Big Shot. You can get, there's 3 solid and 4 detail flowers. They also fit here, so you can do like a green and then put the red on top. Really pretty, and the antlers are amazing on these deer. Oh, remember that Country Home one with the tin tile? This is some chicken wire embellishments. That is really fun. Okay, this one I love because you can build your own words and sentences, and they're big. So you've got Christmas, Merry, Happy, and Holidays, and then you've got things that you can put together, like Merry Christmas and Christmas Blessings and different to and froms. But the dies are great, and I love word dies for scrapbooking. Look at these big word dies, and the font is pretty. Christmas, Holiday, Merry, and Happy. And then some frames that you can use for the labels and the smaller letters and words. That's a bundle. This went with something, and I can't remember what, but it's a mistletoe stamp. I think, oh, here it is. Peaceful Noel. That's pretty. And I like the softness of this. There's another really soft one in there too. This was my favorite of the 2. I think it's called Frosted Floral. That one's beautiful and has beautiful paper. I'm going to get the paper, but I thought this stamp set was really nice. And I love the little mistletoe. Oh, here's some cute little embellishments that go with those little Santa's Workshop with the elves. Very cute, as does this baker's twine. Look at this big giant ball of baker's twine. Wasn't expecting that. I usually am expecting this size. Cherry Cobbler, Mossy Meadow, Very Vanilla twine. Some new blend colors. This is the shaded Spruce. And then this, I forgot what it is. Oh, Real Red. It's funny that we didn't have Real Red. We have Cherry Cobbler. So that is good for Christmas. And black. I was very excited to see black. So those are some new blends. There's more blends colors, but that's all I got at this time. This is fun, and I never really paid attention to these. This is Memories and More cards and envelopes. And you know, if you ever bought a Memories and More box, you get these really cute cards for scrapbooking, but think about them as not just for scrapbooking. They're adorable. They were packed it. Look how cute that is. So they're super adorable. And then what happens is you can use these card bases. So they come in 2 sizes, see? And then these card bases are sized perfectly for them as a layering piece. So you get these little cards and envelopes to match in the 2 sizes, small and large, and you can build cards. You know, you're going to use them for scrapbooking and cards. You can build a really cute card with these. Like here's a Merry Christmas, add some snowflake or hollyberry embellishments on there and some ribbon, and attach that to a card base, and you've got a customized and really cute card. Look at that Santa. He's adorable, and you can write a greeting in here. This could be a party invitation. You write your details about when the party is. This is really cute, and look at these images. They're just so adorable. And they could be great for backgrounds on a card with a big tree in front from a different stamp set. They're just really fun, and I never really looked at the cards and envelopes too closely before. But look at, see, they're sized perfectly. And then add some ribbon and a little sparkle, and you've got a Christmas card. And they're really, this is cute. Dear Santa, that'll be cute in a scrapbook page for my kids' little notes. And then you get little sticker sheets in here too. Here's the sticker sheets. And the days of the Christmas. And oh, look at this one's fun with the trees and the little words. Naughty or nice, my favorite season, happy memories, let it snow, holiday party. This is cute. Look at this. That's adorable. And they glitter. You got the Santa, the candy canes. Such cute sticker sheets. And you can use these again on scrapbook pages or layer them up on the cards for some really. Oh, look at that one. Whoops. Oh, that one's beautiful. Anyway, so many cute cards in here, small and large, and then you get the card bases and combine them, and you've got just a whole stack of really fun and cute Christmas cards that you have personalized yourself. So these are fun. Okay, paper. Photorealistic paper. Look at that. There's your tree right there, come to life. And then on the back, a pattern. So there's one. Light bulbs on the one side, a green kind of pattern, shaded spruce. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that background. And then on the other side, little pine cones, stars. On the other side, stockings. So that is a fun paper collection. There's a few more. I don't think I'll open each one. This is a new paper that's going to be coming out free for hostesses next month. It's called Dashing, what is it called? Dashing Along. I'll show you that soon. Ooh. Sparkly. Really pretty. Okay, so we've got sparkly kind of coppery rose gold accents. And that one, look at this one. This is beautiful paper. Look at that. That's that new Mary Merlot. That beautiful deer. This is really gorgeous paper. Gonna have to get some more of that. Really gorgeous paper. Okay, so there's that paper. Oh, this is a really fun Halloween paper. Oh, I guess I should open it. Now there's a stamp set that matches this as well. I did not get it yet. It's coming in a future order, but I'm betting one of these witches will be able to cut out with the die. Look at those cats and these ghosts. Oh, I love that. Pumpkins, witches' brooms, cauldrons, and a cute little cat. A fun color, what is that? Granny apple green or lemon lime? And some hats. Hats. Oh, look at the frogs. Really cute paper. Okay, this one I have to say I was probably the most looking forward to. This is that galvanized metal paper. I love plaid. This is gonna, look at all this plaid. So this is another stamp collection. I didn't get the Stampin' Dies, but I got the paper. I might eventually get the Stamps and Dies. This is a really cute plaid. In fact, I'm sure I will eventually. Really pretty paper. Look at this wood grain. That's fun, and a stripe. I think this one's called Country Home. These are patterns that you're going to use again and again. Oh, here's another wood grain. This one says mistletoe, peace, love, joy, merry little Christmas, fa la la, all kinds of Christmas sayings on there. Another plaid. Oh, having a hard time with that one. Fun. Okay, so these are great papers as well. So that one was called Country Lane. Country Lane. So, oh, one last thing that I got. Oh, there's Shimmer Paint too, somewhere in the box. It comes in champagne mist and copper, gold, frost. Really fun shimmer paints. We've had them before, and I bought just the one now because I want to see what colors I still had from before. It's really a fun addition. You put on with a sponge, or you can use it on your stamps as well. And this I was excited about. A new Take Your Pick tool. There's a video on it at Stampin' Up, and I will post that and get a refill. There's putty in here. It's going to help you place. That goes straight up, I believe. Yep. There's putty in there that's going to pick up your sequins and move them around. And then there's a refill for when you need to refill. And then this side has a spatula. And I forget what else. I have to learn how to use this. Oh, and a piercer, paper piercer, and then a stylus. So you have a whole bunch of tools all in one, which is really fun. Take Your Pick tool. Oh, I see you turn it. There. Very fun. That's new. So there is my, oh, forgot I got ribbon too. I love this ribbon. This is part of the Country Lane collection. There's a new, this is Santa's Workshop, which is featuring Poppy Parade. So that's Poppy Parade. And some new linen thread. This is like braided linen. Really fun. And another red. You can never have too much red ribbon at Christmas time. So there's my haul right now. Catalogs have been ordered for all of my past customers in the past year. So you're going to be getting those in your mailboxes soon, or those of you that are local will get them maybe a little quicker, because I might deliver them or bring them to Card Buffet or something like that. So those are all coming out. So much fun. The catalog is bigger than ever and is just full of beautiful things. So I can't wait to show it to you. Thanks for watching. Bye.